part of this youth convention. Before I proceed, let me introduce myself. Already sir told I am Kavita Alayan. I want to left the initial only. P. Kavita Alayan. I joined in the bank in the year 2014 in Chennai. Within a short period, I got within a short period, I transferred to my hometown, Vellore, in Tamil Nadu only. When I joined in the bank, I know that there is only a monthly salary only. Later I came to know that by your union, I am entitled with many other perks like canteen subsidy, newspaper allowance, etc. Within short period, I got posted as head cashier because of our union only, because of our All India Federation. If there is any emergency, even I can also avail loan. Gradually came to know that these things are possible only because of our constant and continuous efforts of our All India Federation.
Along with me on the various achievements made by our All India Federation for the benefit of all the employees in our bank. There are various welfare measures as well as loan schemes available to the employees. In those days it used to be 3 years, 5 years or 10 years only we used to get the loan facilities. Nowadays, the moment we enter, we get all the benefits now. To begin with, I am going to tell you about the simple thing which you are getting the moment you join in. The moment you join the bank, under the soft welfare scheme, you get the benefit of every month newspaper cost of 110 rupees. This comes under your welfare scheme. That is, out of the profit, a portion is allocated for the welfare of the employees. So under that, we can get that newspaper reimbursement of 110 rupees, including the employees who have joined recently, every month will be getting. Like that, the canteen subsidy. The canteen subsidy, the moment you join, every month you get 250 rupees. So the new entrant, the moment he gets into the bank, this is the benefit which he is going to get. Thereafter, you are eligible for your domiciliary benefit under bipartite, that is 2000. So that is one of the fantastic scheme introduced with the efforts of our All India Federation. Thereafter, when you go to car loan, earlier car loan used to be only after reaching the stage of 10th stage of your pay scale, you will be eligible. Now the scheme has been revised to such an extent
in our bank and sufficiently he has motivated you not only continue with our bank but continue with our cadre also. You want to have a quality of life, continue with the cadre also. Comrades, I want to explain to you, especially regarding staff welfare scheme, because this is one thing that normally employees compare with other banks. This is one bank where the staff welfare fund itself was created in 2006, and it's only because of the continuous effort of our beloved President Comrade Vijayan that staff welfare fund came into being in our bank in year 2006. In other banks, staff welfare fund was available for more than 20 years. But every year, out of our profit, we can contribute only 3% of the profit to staff welfare fund. We have been getting full quota of 20 crores so far. There is also an upper cap of 20 crores. We have been getting it except the year before previous when our profit